Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to learn how you can create Halftone dot effect in DaVinci Resolve in just few clicks. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So in the edit page, here is our video clip. I'll right click here and open in the Fusion page. Now add a brightness contrast and decrease the saturation value to 0 and increase the brightness value around zero point 0.2. Now back to the edit page and go to the effects and search for fusion composition and drag drop to your timeline. Now adjust its size according to your video length and open this in the fusion page. Now we'll need a background node and connect this with the media out. Now add a merge between the background and media out and add another background and connect it with the foreground with merge. Now under the image, untick the auto resolution option and set the height and width 1920 and change the color to white. Now add a ellipse marks and increase the soft edge value around 0.45 and change the border width to negative 0.05. Now we have need 4 copies of this ellipse marks and just change the center x and y position to 1 1, 1 0, 0 1 and 0 0. And finally we need a transform node and connect this between the background and the merge. And in the inspector change the edge to wrap and decrease the size 0.01 and you can also adjust the angle little bit cause it will look nicer I think. Now in the edit page in the inspector set the composite mode to hard mix. Now you can see that we are already getting the effect that we want, but we need some adjustments. So in the effects, drag down the adjustment clip and adjust its size according to video length and open this in the fusion page. Now add a blur node and then add a erode dilate node and change the amount around minus 0008 or something like that, whatever suits on your video clip. Now back to the edit page and let's check how our footage is going to look. So thanks for watching. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you found this video any helpful, make sure to hit the like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.